Hey everyone, and welcome back to Top 5 Picks. Today we're diving deep into the world of PC components, specifically the heart and soul of your gaming rig, the motherboard. Choosing the right motherboard is crucial for unleashing the full potential of your CPU and building a kick-ass gaming PC. So, whether you're a seasoned system builder or a first-time enthusiast, this video will guide you through the top 5 best motherboards for gaming in 2024. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech content. Also, all the product links for the motherboards we'll be discussing will be down in the description below, so you can easily check them out for yourself. The motherboard rundown. What to consider. Before we jump into the list, let's take a quick moment to understand what factors make a motherboard great for gaming. Here are some key things to keep in mind. CPU compatibility. This is the most crucial aspect. Make sure the motherboard supports your chosen CPU, whether it's AMD Ryzen or Intel Core. Chipset. The chipset determines features like supported memory types, overclocking capabilities, and PCIe lanes for graphics cards and other add-on cards. Power delivery. A robust power delivery system ensures your CPU receives clean and stable power for peak performance during those intense gaming sessions. Connectivity. Look for features like plenty of USB ports, high-speed networking, ideally Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 6E, and multiple M2 slots for speedy NVMe storage drives. Form factor. Consider the size of your case. ATX is the most common size, but micro ATX and mini ITX are great options for compact builds. Now that we're on the same page, let's get down to business and explore the top contenders. Number 5. Asus TUF Gaming B650 Plus Wi-Fi, great value for AMD builds. Kicking things off, we have the Asus TUF Gaming B650 Plus Wi-Fi. This motherboard is a fantastic choice for AMD Ryzen 7000 series CPU owners who prioritize value without compromising on performance. It boasts a solid power delivery system that can handle overclocking for those who want to squeeze out a few extra frames. The B650 Plus Wi-Fi comes equipped with ample connectivity options, including multiple USB ports, including some high-speed USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, built-in Wi-Fi 6, and even a 2.5 GBE LAN port for super-fast wired networking. Plus, it has enough M2 slots for both your operating system and game storage needs. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of some high-end boards, the Asus TUF Gaming B650 Plus Wi-Fi delivers excellent performance and features at a competitive price point, making it a great choice for budget-conscious gamers. You can find a link to this motherboard in the description below. Number 4. Gigabyte X670 Aorus Elite AX, feature-packed powerhouse for AMD. Taking things up a notch, the Gigabyte X670 Aorus Elite AX caters to AMD users who demand top-tier features and performance. This motherboard boasts a beefy power delivery system that can handle even the most power-hungry Ryzen CPUs. It comes loaded with PCIe 5.0 lanes, ensuring future-proof compatibility with the latest graphics cards and storage devices. Connectivity is top-notch with built-in Wi-Fi 6E for blazing fast wireless speeds and a 2.5 GBE LAN port for wired networking enthusiasts. The X670 Aorus Elite AX also boasts a premium audio codec for immersive in-game sound, and a sleek design with RGB lighting to add some flair to your build. If you're an AMD gamer who wants a feature-rich motherboard with excellent performance, the Gigabyte X670 Aorus Elite AX is definitely worth considering. Check the description for the link. Number 3. ASRock Z790 Steel Legend, solid all-rounder for Intel builds. The ASRock Z790 Steel Legend is a fantastic all-rounder motherboard for 12th, 13th, and even future 14th generation Intel Core processors. It features a capable power delivery system that can handle demanding games and even some light overclocking for those who want a slight performance boost. This motherboard boasts a well-rounded feature set, including plenty of USB ports of various speeds, built-in Wi-Fi 6, and multiple M2 slots for speedy NVMe storage. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of some high-end Z790 boards, it prioritizes the essentials for smooth gaming performance. One of the biggest strengths of the ASRock Z790 Steel Legend is its price. It offers excellent value for the features it packs, making it a compelling option for budget-conscious Intel gamers who don't necessarily need the absolute top-of-the-line motherboard. You can find a link to this motherboard in the description below. Number 2. ASRock Z790 Taichi Lite. Feature-rich Z790 board at a competitive price. Here are some additional details about the ASRock Z790 Taichi Lite that might be of interest to viewers. This motherboard boasts multiple M2 slots, allowing you to utilize blazing fast NVMe storage for your operating system and games. It also has plenty of SATA ports for traditional hard drives and additional storage needs. The Z790 Taichi Lite comes equipped with robust VRM heatsinks that efficiently dissipate heat from the power delivery system, ensuring stable performance under load. Some models even feature M2 heatsinks to keep your NVMe drives cool during intense gaming sessions. This motherboard features a sleek and stylish design with a premium black and silver color scheme. It also boasts customizable RGB lighting that allows you to personalize the look of your build and match it with your other components. Overall, the ASRock Z790 Taichi Lite is a fantastic option for Intel gamers who want a feature-rich motherboard with excellent performance and overclocking capabilities, all at a competitive price point. It offers a compelling balance between power, features, and affordability, making it a great choice for a wide range of gamers. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to this product. Number 1. Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Extreme, the ultimate Z790 motherboard for enthusiasts. Finally, we reach the pinnacle of Z790 motherboards, the Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Extreme. This is a true enthusiast-grade motherboard designed for those who demand the absolute best in terms of performance, features, and aesthetics. The Z790 Aorus Extreme boasts a monstrous power delivery system that can handle even the most powerful Intel Core processors with ease. It's built for extreme overclocking, allowing you to push your CPU to its absolute limits and squeeze out every last bit of performance. This motherboard is packed with cutting-edge features, including a plethora of high-speed USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports and multiple Thunderbolt 4 ports for blazing fast data transfer speeds. It also boasts built-in Wi-Fi 6E and a 10 GBE LAN port for unmatched wired and wireless networking capabilities. The Z790 Aorus Extreme doesn't skimp on aesthetics either. This motherboard features a premium design with a stylish black and silver color scheme and extensive customizable RGB lighting. It's a true centerpiece for any high-end gaming PC build. However, with great power comes great responsibility and a hefty price tag. The Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Extreme is undoubtedly the best Z790 motherboard on the market, but it's also the most expensive. This motherboard is best suited for serious enthusiasts and hardcore gamers who demand the absolute top-of-the-line performance and features. If that describes you, then the Z790 Aorus Extreme is the ultimate choice. You can find a link to this product in the description below. Alright folks, that concludes our look at the top 5 best motherboards for gaming in 2024. We explored a range of options for both AMD and Intel users, catering to different budgets and performance needs. Remember, the best motherboard for you depends on your specific CPU, features you prioritize, and of course, your budget. I hope this video helped you narrow down your choices. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching.